What are you doing, Caden?
Making a birdhouse.
And what are you doing? Screwing in something?
Yeah. Almost got it. It's working though.
Use those muscles.
Grandpa, can you do it first?
You about got it, didn't you?
Yeah. My hands are starting to hurt.
So then what are you going to do after you put it together?
We are going to paint it, but not quite. We got 6 more screwdrivers. And that means we got got 6 more things left.
What are you doing, Caden?
Go the other way?
Yeah.
Put this down here. Let me have this.
Grandma, we
chair.
look.
What, baby? Wow, that's cool.
It's right here.
Yep, you're getting it put together,
And then
aren't
we
you?
already got this done.
That's perfect. The birds are gonna love it, babe.
Where are we going to put it? That's the
We're
question.
gonna hang it in the tree out, one of those trees out there. Get some bird seed and put in it, or we can hang it from a hook there if we need to. We'll see.
We can do that.
What did you do, Caden?
This. Let's see on the box.
How many cigarette butts get out here, honey?
Hey guys.
Hope you want to watch your dog for you.
Caden.
Hey guys. There's one of those where you have to use the string in something. I think you have to use the string first. You're gonna use this first. Okay? You're using this first. I'm using this first, guys.
Give me the screw, sweetheart. Let me get it lined back up here. Hang on.
This way.
Yeah, but hang on. Honey, let me show you something. The screwdriver works better if you hold it like you got to push down on it. Not too hard.
That's not the easy way. Almost got it.
No, you don't, sweetheart.
Do I do it that way? Speak. Speak.
You speak.
You have to say something.
What are you doing, Caden?
I'm screwdriving this.
What's Grandpa doing?
Sitting down watching you.
Watching you.
He's helping
Is
you.
he
He's showing
supervising
you.
Oh, it's hot like we got the fan on,
I know it is hot.
don't we? They've heard hell before.
Turn the light out.
That's done. We're on to the next thing.
You're done screw driving?
Well, no. We still got this piece.
Okay.
Have you done the,
Only
You're
weighs
supposed to do this.
4.5 pounds, I bet.
Hold on. I'm paused it. Wait a minute.
I unpaused it. So, guys, we're on to the next thing. And my grandpa's tying something.
Show him. And Grandma's eating pickle chips.
How do you turn...
Hit the pause button. Let me
No.
do
I didn't know it smoked either, too. probably 3 or 4 minutes after I met him. He said, I'm going to smoke. I said, you smoke? He said, yeah. Does it matter? I said, well, not now. Right?
You're tightening down another
But it wasn't a
screw.
deal breaker, right?
No, it wasn't. It was not. I do wish you quit just because you'd be healthier, but. And turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it.
And still have 3 more screws.
You're doing good though, Kaden. Look, she is so strong.
I know.
It's gonna be a cute spaceship birdhouse, isn't it?
Well, they're moving out, huh?
Somebody moving.
They don't keep that house long.
How do you know
That'd
they're
be the
moving?
second.
How you know they're moving?
Well, they got a U-Haul. I'd say they're moving. They don't stay back there long at all.
Probably
That
too much.
if they're, that's the second people that's rented that house are now moving out. Would be within a year.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
So what is the
I
problem?
think it's $1,200 a month.
How much?
$1,200.
There's the problem. You want to finish?
And it's back there like that?
You might be
I'd
recording
rather
my
be
dad
finishing so we
phone
don't.
too.
There's more screws to
And
screw
it's
in. Let me
older.
finish
No, we
this
drove
one.
back there, remember?
Mm-hmm.
You're getting
We
it
came
right.
back Gordon and Grandma, but you could have gotten in and out of it either. They had stairs everywhere, remember? No garage. I'd be kind of scared to live in there. It's so secluded. Yeah, it's still leaking, damn it. I don't know what's
Still
wrong.
leaking?
I'm gonna take it for it if it's that seal, you know it. You have to help me.
What are you gonna do?
That seal's loose in there. You're gonna have to help me get that seal fixed.
How do you get it fixed?
I don't know. I guess I just gotta put it back in there. I didn't put it in there too. I mean, did any balance or something have those on?
We're gonna hang it up there.
And she's gonna decorate her own hamburger on you. You want cheese on your hamburger?
But I did the last. Hey guys, here it is. Now I'm gonna paint it.
Alright, just take
How do I sit?
to work on it. Honey, when you come
Lay
in,
down
you
like
can,
that.
you can look at this when you come in.
Look.
That's awesome. Now I want you to paint it. Surprise me and Grandpa, okay?
Okay.